Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter, Understanding Fractions, is going on, and we have completed exercise 7a to exercise 7f in that. Today, we'll start with a new topic, that is types of fraction. According to your book or according to your course, here 4 types of fractions are given: unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Now let's discuss what is unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and what is mixed fraction. So children, a unit fraction are the fraction numerator with 1. A fraction which is having numerator as 1, they are known as unit fraction. Proper fraction are the fractions in which the numerator are smaller than their denominator. The fractions which are having smaller numerator and the greater denominators, these fractions are known as proper fraction. Improper fractions are the fraction which are having numerator greater than their denominators. Where the numerators are greater and the denominators are smaller, they are known as improper fractions. And the last is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A combination of a whole number and a fraction is known as mixed fraction. So children, these are the 4 types of fractions which are given in your book. So now let's see their definitions with the help of the examples which are given in your book. So open your book, page number 135. Here all the things are given with the help of examples, with the help of diagrams. These topics are explained very well. So children, let's open your book. All of you open your book and page number 135. Please open it and let's start discussion of this topic. Clear? Now the topic is given types of fraction. First is unit fraction. A fraction with 1 as numerator is known as unit fraction. Means the fractions which are having 1 as numerator, they all are called unit fractions. For example, here you can see first diagram is a circle. Here it is done 4 part of it and 1 is shaded. So what will be the fraction of this diagram? 1 upon 4. Why 1 upon 4? 1 is the shaded part and 4 are the total parts. Next diagram is, you can count the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 is 10. The total parts are 10 as it is written here, 10, and 1 is shaded. So 1 upon 10 is the second fraction. Third is a triangle. It is given and here 3 parts are done, 1 is shaded. So 1 upon 3 is the fraction. Now the last is circle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 here. 8 parts are given and 1 is shaded. So 1 upon 8 is the fraction. All of the above are unit fraction. Now the second is proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, they are known as proper fraction. For examples, first is circle. Here 3 parts are shaded and 1 is unshaded and there are total parts. So 3 upon 4 is the fraction. 3 is smaller and 4 is greater. Numerator is smaller and the denominator is greater. Here 9 parts are given, 4 are shaded, so 4 upon 9 is the fraction. So 4 upon 9 is the proper fraction. Next is 2 parts are shaded and 3 are the total parts. So 2 upon 3 is the fraction of third picture. Last is again circle and the total parts are 8 here as it is written here, and 5 are shaded. So 5 upon 8 is the fourth fraction. So all of the above are proper fractions. because they all are having numerator smaller than the denominator. So these fractions are known as proper fraction. Now improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is equal to or bigger than the denominator are known as improper fraction. For example, two circles are given. There are total 4 parts in this and 4 parts in this. So what we will count, total parts are 4 only, but you can see 5 parts are shaded here. So 5 upon 4 is the fraction, and 5 is greater and 4 is smaller. So this 5 upon 4 is a improper fraction. Now second is, again two figures of triangle are given. Total are the 3 parts and shaded are the 4 parts. So 4 upon 3 is the fraction and 4 upon 3 is the improper fraction. Now the fourth one is mixed fraction. It is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Means combination of whole number and mixed fraction is known as mixed fraction, because they are both are mixed. So they are mixed fraction. Now our next topic is conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction, numeral fraction. To change an improper fraction into mixed fraction or numeral, we divide and convert 10 upon 3 into mixed fraction, mixed numeral or fraction. Let's divide. So we will divide 10 by 3 here. So 10 does not, it is not divisible by 3. So it will come nearest to 10. 3 3s are 9. 9 is nearest to 10. 3 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. And 3 is the divisor here. We write the mixed numeral as Q R upon D. Q is the quotient, R is the remainder and D is the divisor. As it is written here, Q, R and D. That is, Q is 3 here. You can see 3. R is 1, remainder is 1 and D is 3 again. So 3 whole 1 upon 3. We pronounce this type of fraction as 3 whole because it is a whole number. 3 whole 1 upon 3, which is same as D multiplied by Q plus R upon D. Clear it is? Here some examples are also given. So let's see example 1. Convert the following as directed. First question we will see 18 upon 11 into mixed fraction. So 18 upon 11, on dividing 18 by 11, 11 ones are 11 and 18 minus 11 is 7. So 1 whole 7 upon 11 is the mixed fraction of 18 upon 11. Second is 1 whole 2 upon 5 into improper fraction. We have to convert 1 whole 2 upon 5 mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let's see 1 whole 2 upon 5, 5 multiply by 1, 5 multiply by 1 plus 2 upon 5. 5 will be 5 here, matlab denominator will be written as denominator only, but we will write 5 here also. 5 multiply by 1 and plus 2. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7, and 5 will be written as 5 only because it is the denominator. So 7 upon 5 is the improper fraction of 1 whole 2 upon 5. So children, today's homework is you will do this example in your rough copy for practicing. So do it by yourself. If you will have any problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day.